Hey y'all, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. Truck is doing good. Truck is doing real good. Let's crank the old girl up. Quite possible, but let's take her around the block. I know this camera does not pick up the exhaust that well, but man, in real life, because the camera doesn't pick up the deep bass tones, but in real life, yeah, the thing sounds really nice. It's a nice deep rumble. I know on this damn phone on the camera, all you do is you just pick up that little exhaust tick and the high notes. But in the real world, this thing sounds really nice. I really do like those. Those mufflers. Alright, so pardon me, I'm not going to look through the viewfinder here because yeah, I'll end up running into something, and I don't know if you'll be able to hear the old girl shift or not. Just take a quick ride around the block here. She's shifting good. She's shifting real nice. Boy, what a difference. Yeah, I'm sorry, like I said, I'm not looking through the viewfinder. And again, I don't know if you're going to be able to hear this exhaust, but God, does it sound nice. And in the neighborhood, no, I can't gun it. No, there's too many tight asses walking around here or living here. But yeah, and I'm sorry, I couldn't get it into third gear, really. We did not really, I don't think. You probably saw it better than I did, but I don't think we got up over 25. So, but she did shift real nice first and second on this video here. When I took it out the other day, I got all three gears shifted real nice. I have not taken it out where I can get it over 40 miles an hour to check the overdrive. Because like I said, I don't want to take a chance of taking it to work at dark 30 in the morning and have something not related to transmission or even related to the transmission go out. Like I said, I'm smelling antifreeze right now, so I'm thinking it's what I spilled filling the damn thing up, but I'm gonna take a look at it. And I don't want to make this too long, but Anyway, she sounds good. She's running good. And, yeah, I'm sorry. There, I don't know if you can see me or not. But anyway, we'll call that quits for now. I'm happy with it. We'll see by the end of the week how she's doing. Y'all take care.